6 weeks. No gym, no runs, nothing. And you're convinced you've destroyed everything you built. I'm going to stop you right there, because what your body is actually doing during that break, it will genuinely surprise you. And once you understand it, you'll never panic about time off again. First week. Every single workout you've ever done left damage inside your muscles. Microscopic tears. And while you were training hard, your body was constantly playing catch-up, repairing on the fly, never fully finishing the job. But the moment you stop, full repair mode activates. Your body floods those muscle fibers with everything they need. Stem cells that lived dormant inside your muscles finally get to work without interruption. Fibers get rebuilt thicker, stronger, more resilient than they were before. That first week off isn't weakness. It's your body finishing what you started. 2 weeks later, you look in the mirror and something feels off. You look smaller, softer, less defined, and your brain immediately goes, "It's over. I've lost it all." Here's what's actually happening. Your muscles store fuel, called glycogen, along with water. When you stop training, those reserves drop. The muscle deflates slightly, but the actual muscle fiber, the tissue you built, still there, completely intact. And here's the part that changes everything. Every muscle cell you built contains something called myonuclei, extra command centers created by your training. Science has confirmed these don't disappear when you stop working out. They stay inside your muscle cells, sometimes for years. Those myonuclei are the reason trained people always bounce back faster. Your muscles aren't starting over, they're picking up mid-sentence. After 4 weeks. By week 4, your muscles are still largely intact, but the support systems around them start pulling back. Your heart becomes slightly less efficient. Your lungs deliver less oxygen per breath. The tiny energy-producing structures inside your cells, called mitochondria, begin to go quiet from lack of stimulus. You'll feel it the moment you try to do anything cardio-based. One flight of stairs, a short jog, and suddenly you're working twice as hard for half the output. This is the part most people mistake for permanent loss. It's not. It's your body conserving energy. It downshifted. It didn't shut down. The engine is still there. It just needs the ignition turned. What never leaves, ever. Here's what time off cannot touch. Your brain hardwired every movement pattern you ever trained. Every rep done with good form carved a groove into your nervous system. Squats, deadlifts, pull-ups, sprint mechanics. Your motor cortex stored all of it like muscle blueprints. When you come back, your body doesn't need to relearn. It just needs to remember. And remembering is 1,000 times faster than learning from scratch. On top of that, your immune system still runs stronger than someone who has never trained. Your baseline fitness level, even after a month off, is still significantly ahead of where you'd be if you'd never started. You are still winning, even sitting still. The comeback. Here's what the first few weeks back actually look like. Week 1, yeah, it stings. Everything feels heavier than it should. Your breathing is embarrassing. You feel like a beginner, and it's genuinely humbling. Week 2, something clicks. Movements start feeling familiar. Your body is reconnecting to patterns it stored months ago. Week 3, you're back. Not 100%, but close enough that people around you won't even notice you were gone. This is called accelerated readaptation. A trained body rebuilds faster than an untrained body builds for the first time. That's not theory, that's documented physiology. The work you put in before didn't disappear. It's sitting inside your cells, your nervous system, your muscle fibers, waiting. Stop treating a break like a failure. A break is not the end of your progress. It's a pause button, not a reset. Your body is more loyal to you than you think. It holds on to what you built. It protects the investment you made. And when you're ready to come back, whether it's been 2 weeks or 2 months, it meets you halfway. No guilt, no punishment, no starting from zero. Just show up. Your body will do the rest, because the work never really left. It was just waiting for you to come back for it.